Good morning guys, welcome back to Leticia's Kitchen. For today's vlog, I'm going to cook chicken soup with abalone. So the chicken, this one is, I'm using the chicken thigh. I already blanched and I already cut into cubes. And here is the abalone. This one the abalone, and I'm using this kind of mushroom in can. And the mushroom I already cut into pieces is here. I cut like this. It's like one piece I cut into four. Like this. And the abalone is here. And I will also cut the abalone into what's so nice. It's like this, guys. So I will cut this into four. Into four. Now I'm going to put the chicken into the soup, boiling water. Here. And also the mushroom. Here is the mushroom. And now I'm going to put the abalone sauce. This kind of abalone. So let it boil for 20 minutes. The abalone, guys, I cut into half like this. Here is the abalone. Ganito ang pagkat ko, guys, sa abalone para sa sabaw. Ayan na yung soup. Ito na yung soup with mushroom. So now I'm going to add the abalone into the soup. Ayan, guys. And then let it boil for 5 minutes. Ayan na, guys, yung abalone. You try this recipe, guys. Is a chicken abalone soup with mushroom in can. It's very tasty. Okay, it's done na, guys. It's ready to serve. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you want the recipe for this chicken abalone soup, you just click the description box and you will see the ingredients there. So thank you, guys. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. And share. And also likes. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. God bless.